which one was killed. We are doing all we can to make sure we get those cultists that did that. Already the OSPAC who arrested and killed one of them without informing the authority are also with us. So you know what is ahead of us. We have to be at alert and we have to be ready for things that are ahead. You know, no one can kill one of us and go away with it. Cultism is something that we have to ensure that does not exist as much as we can. And since it's like this, we are going all out for them. Those that perpetrated that act, the Icelander cult leader must be fished out and they must pay for what they have done. The law will take its course. The hospital are also come to attack without informing the police and also injured will be questioned and they will have a story to tell. So you people should learn to protect yourself, secure yourself. You know we're in a very difficult terrain and shouldn't allow these cultists to continue to embarrass the police. Are we all ready to protect ourselves? Yes, sir. Yes, while we are protecting others. So you must fish out these hoodlums. And equally, you are all aware that the CSO and the chief of staff of the local government here attacked their principal in the school and the speaker. We are on their trail. We have given them time to report themselves. Since they are staff there, they express themselves and know what actually transpired. There are also videos going around of what they have done. After which they refuse, we will have no choice than to declare them wanted. But while we are doing that, ensure you are out to get them. We are doing everything we can electronically to ensure we get them. And equally, these cultists, like I said, must be fished out. So you remain here until further notice. We are going to be changing you from time to time until when we get to the root of the matter. So don't deter, don't be weak, be strong, and we'll give all the necessary support and encouragement we need. Is that clear? Yes, sir. Any question? Any observation? Okay, I'll hand over you to the area commander. I'll equally send some men from 48 to come and join you. The tactical commanders are equally here on ground with you. So I wish you good luck. Make sure you are professional and don't forget human rights. Ensure you do things according to the law. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I wish you best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Good day.
Thank you, sir. John!
Sir, with your permission, carry on, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's just sounding like there was a shootout or whatever, but can you just give us like an official position of the police on what actually transpired here yesterday night, sir?
Okay, now actually, I don't want to say anything much because the case is still under investigation. But what we notice is that the local government, I'm sure you're aware that the CSO and the chief of staff to the Ahoada local government civil administrator attacked him a few days ago, and we've invited them to come and give their own side of the story, which they've not come forward. So we decided to deploy men to that local government to ensure there is security and to ensure that does not occur again, even though we have men on ground. But I believe because of the CSO on ground, we didn't know that threat was there. But now we brought our men in addition to those that are there to protect the local government. So yesterday night, we heard that there was shooting, and the policeman and one OSPA personnel was gunned down. So I sent my men out since yesterday to find out what happened. We've made some arrests, and I came personally today to see things myself. I discovered that the OSPA went to attack some cultists within Ahoada, and the information is that they shot one person and carried an injured person who is also a cultist to their office without informing our policemen. And the local government, the OSPA building, their office is just backing the local government. So eventually those cultists came on a reprisal attack to rescue their men. And on doing that, our men had and also exchanged fire with them. In the process, one OSPA personnel was shot and one of our men on guard duty was shot there. But the investigation will prove exactly what happened. But that's the summary of what I can say for now. When we conclude the investigation, we'll be able to give you details of what happened on the ground. But that's the summary of it for now.
But it's not connected with the attack on the local government administration?
No. This one is an OSPA cultist arrangements, and they're supposed to have informed the police before going to do that. And I'm sure it was because one of them was killed, other that was injured was kept in their office just right behind the local government, and they came to rescue the person, not knowing that our men were on duty there. And when they saw them, they had no choice than to extinguish fire with them. I'm sure some of them were alcohol injured, but investigation will prove. But now we're still on it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Although I was not around, I went somewhere, but I met the incident. So, and the truth of the whole thing is that the local government and the Ekpe people, being the Ahoada people, they are not helping us well.
What's the incident that occurred? You said the incident.
Yes, we are attacked by some unknown government.
Unknown government?
Yes, unknown government.
Okay.
So, and along the line, we lost one of our colleagues. Yes, and if you can see, the spirit of this place so serious. So, and my assistants now, we are not even know what is going on, because the government, they are not even telling us what to do or what can they do to assist us. Because why the whole thing occur, as we are staying in this place, we don't even have enough arms. They won't defend ourselves. So that's why they have the opportunity to come to us back office and attack us.
So do you have an idea who are the people that launched this attack on your office?
Actually, I did not. I can't tell, because we are still trying to fish out those people that involved in it.
So did you people return fire when they came here?
We are not able to return any fire, because we are not having even our guns. We are not having bullet on it, because for like some few months, they have not even paid us, so we don't have money, and the government are not buying anything for us. Even our motorcycles, sometimes we buy fuel on our own. So sometimes when we make some little change, we buy bullet on our own. So when the attack occurred yesterday, we not even have a bullet on the two rifles that we have. I have two rifles, they are just too prompt for action. That's what we have here.
Now, the Commissioner of Police just left the area command maybe like 10-15 minutes ago. He said from their preliminary investigation that you people arrested a suspected cultist and kept him here. And it looks like the people that came to attack you are his members who came to rescue him. Is there any truth to that?
Just like I said, I wish maybe my commander or the two YCs here would have been the one to explain better, because yesterday I was engaged somewhere. So when I come back, I did not check the set to know if they arrested someone. But according to the story this morning, that's what I heard, that they arrested a suspect. So that what motivated those people to come, that result to the attack.
Okay. So did you people lose anybody?
Yes.
How many?
Lost one.
You lost one.
And yes, and one have an injury. One is injured.
The injured one, where is he?
It's in the hospital.
In the hospital. Okay.
Saying that to have that is in the casualty. Even right now, I just call me on phone that I have not gotten anything, as in something to eat or maybe to pay medical attention to him. I have not, and nobody have showed up that can assist him. So that's those things that I'm talking about. As you watch now, my phone is ringing and it's calling me.
That is welfare?
Yes.
No welfare?
Yes. And for now, I do not have any money.
Okay. How many are you people?
We are 40 in number, but due to how the job is, many of them have the length. So the number that we are active now is about 25 people. And the incident that occurred yesterday, those men that came to attack us, I think they are about 8 or 12 in number, because they have come with about 6 bikes. And the money that they have been paying us, and they don't even used to pay it every month. Some month they pay, some month they don't pay. And what they are paying us is about 35,000 naira. That's what they are paying us.
Who pays?
From the local government.
The local government. Okay, so when was the last time? You said they are owing you people?
Yes.
Are they owing you people?
Yes.
How many months?
Last month. Sure, they are owing us about 2 months salary.
2 months salary. Who is supposed to be in charge of producing, paying for your weapons? Like you say you have how many rifles? Who gives you money for ammunition?
Actually, the local government are supposed to assist us, but they are not doing it. We bought it on our own. Sometimes maybe when maybe 1 or 2 appreciate the work that you are doing, sometimes it's okay. If you use this and assist yourself and use those money for that.
Thank you. Noted. Introduce yourself, sir.
Okay, I am by name called Honorable Ighodalo Rejoice, an indigene of Okobodo community in Ahoada East, precisely Ahoada East.
I understand that following the attack on this facility, you may have been affected directly or indirectly. Is that correct? And how?
Yes. At about 6 a.m. this morning, I woke up and got a call, a distress call, that my younger brother, my younger cousin, Ngozi by name Ighodalo, the same surname with me, was shot dead at about 8 p.m. last night. So I walked down to Ospark camp and I saw the spray of bullets and all of that. And I confirmed that to be true because I saw this spill of blood and also confirmed the body lying lifeless at the mortuary. So that is it.
I mean, it's a very painful situation when you lose a loved one, a family member, another. Well, how are you feeling right now? What's the feeling in your family?
I'm so saddened because before now there was peace in Ahoada East. There was peace, but from nowhere, we don't know how it came. And right now that I'm talking with you, we are not happy because in the course of this administration, we lost our brother. In the course of this administration, we lost our brother. So we are not happy. Unlike when the government was in order. And look at what is happening now. We are not happy because they said emergency rule in River State. But what is happening now is beyond that. Because there was peace before the emergency rule. But what we saw now, we don't know how to call it. Before the emergency rule, there was peace in Ahoada East.
What was the situation with the local government when there was an elected local government chairman?
When there was an elected local government chairman, there was peace. Ahoada East was peaceful. Ekpe was peaceful. Everybody was normal, doing their normal businesses. And the council was bubbling. But from nowhere, they told us that there is an emergency rule on the 18th of March. And ever since that emergency rule to date, Ahoada East has not been peaceful. Recently, something happened that maybe that they had fight with the administrator in Ahoada East. And within 2 days, I lost my brother in the course of that fight. I lost my brother. And we say that this death or killing is associated to that problem. So I'm calling on the CP to ensure that they fish out these people. Because they said there should be an administrator in the state to keep peace. But there's no peace. There is no peace. So we call on Mr. President that what he has done to us is bad. What the president has done to us is bad. Because in the course of the emergency rule, we lost. Before now, there was no death in Ahoada East. Before the emergency rule. From the day that the emergency rule came, look at the situation now. Now we don't know where this one will end us to. Because everywhere is rowdy now. The cultists have started. And we don't know how it will end. Because it's an experience we had before. And we don't know how this one will end us now. We don't know where it's taking us to. Because we have had experience before now. And after which, there was peace. And the governor of the state was ensuring that peace holds in the state. And there was peace. We enjoyed total peace across 23 LGAs. But today, as I'm talking with you, because of the emergency rule, there is no peace anymore. There is no peace. Because to a point where they fought, just with the government, fought themselves. And that has taken us to the death of my brother. So it's painful. We are sad. We are sad. We are sad. So we call on the president to look into this. Ahoada East, River State was peaceful before now. Let him call off this emergency rule in River State. For peace to reign. For peace to reign. Thank you, sir.
Say your name again.
I am Honorable Ighodalo Rejoice.